quick tutorial. We are going to show you that how to log out of TikTok on all devices. It's super easy and we will make sure you will get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, how to log out of TikTok on all devices. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app, open the tab, click on the profile, click on the three lines which appear at right top corner, click on settings and privacy. Now click on the logout option and click on logout. In this way, your TikTok account will be logged out on your device. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.